So let's stop the music and let's talk about making $1,000 in YouTube every day. You know what? With nearly 6K subscriber in my channel and roughly some 5 million views, you guys, what you're doing? You haven't even subscribed my channel. If you haven't subscribed it, please subscribe it now, because I'm going to tell you how we can make $1,000 in YouTube every day. Isn't it amazing? So if you want to know more about how we can make $1,000 in YouTube, first thing you do is subscribe my channel, and I'm going to tell you how we can do it. But maybe if you have some brilliant ideas, write it in my comment section, and I'm going to create a wonderful video which helps you and help me to make $1,000 in YouTube every day. Love you all. Bye-bye.